Tell you what, it is most certainly summertime out today. I don't see anything yet. Well, welcome back everyone. Time you see this video, it should be the 4th of July. I hope everybody's having a safe holiday. And I'll tell you what, it's great to have family and things like that come in, barbecues, and watch the fireworks go off, right? We're going to take a trail ride today. We are in the Mule, and I have taken the top off of it, so the Mule is topless. What better freedom than that? Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get started. We're going to ride to the back and see what's going on back there. Anything to get a little bit of a breeze started today. It is warm. I really thought our turtle hotel would have had something in it today. They're probably staying down in that water as most as they can because it is hot. Starting to see some of the grass grow though. The video we done back here, breaking the soil loose and planting some grass seed. Starting to see little green grass blades grow up. That's a good thing. Make this area nice. Probably just about a month away, I will be back here and start the cleanup process, and believe it or not, that should put us almost to August. And start getting ready for fall. There goes a deer. Jumped out ahead of him, or her. Now this is also being filmed on the R6, and the R6 is supposed to have better stabilization for us. So I hope it kind of smooths out the ride for you guys, gives you a little bit better video to watch. I will take it slow so I'm not bouncing you around too much. On that tree, that one's about ready to come down. Wow. Now I did mow this section about a week ago, I think it's been now. Looks nice down through there. But all the way back through the wood line here, you guys can probably see that it's not overgrown, and it'll definitely hold for another 3 or 4 weeks. It stays so shady and there's so many leaves on the ground that this grass doesn't have to grow real fast, and I like it that way. It's easier to maintain, and I prefer just to have to mow it off once or twice a year, and it makes it a little easier on me. Now again, if we are golfing or something like that a bunch, then I will come back here and actually try to keep this caught up as best I can. I mean, if I'm too busy to get to it, I'm just too busy to get to it. Everything is starting to dry up a little bit. I'm going to put it in 4-wheel drive though, it's still pretty steep. having the windshield out and the top off, this Mule, this machine's actually quieter to me. It doesn't have the echo that the muffler produces in the cab or when the top and the windshield. Okay, well now the windshield does protect you from the spider webs because we just ran through a pretty good one. that was enough spider web to cover my sunglasses. I can't believe it's going to be the 4th of July, again, when you guys see this video, and I think today is the 2nd or 3rd, but where is the year went? I mean, this thing is just flying by. Oh yeah, it looks great back here. It has been hot enough the past couple of weeks that the bugs are trying to take over this place. Horse flies and spiders and ticks and chiggers and everything else. I don't want to have to get in those weeds until I absolutely have to. I'm definitely missing the windshield for protecting us against those spider webs. We just got another one. This trail back here turned out really good. You guys all viewed the video as we made this thing. And I'll tell you, it's a really interesting part of the property. Being able to roll back here across all these rocks and stuff. It's just kind of neat, a little bit different. Yeah, it looks nice. Hole 18 on the disc golf course. This is not terrible. Won't take much, we'll get it cleaned up. Man, it looks great back here. Well, just a quick trail ride, guys. I wanted to tell everybody happy 4th of July, and I really do hope you enjoy your holiday. As far as the back is concerned back there, a little bit of cleanup this fall, and we're going to be in good shape to roll across this place, cut some firewood, and make some nice videos for you. Have a safe 4th of July. Enjoy your family on the holiday. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.